Coach, kaya ayokong galingan kasi ako na lang lagi ang inutusan at pinapagawa ng lahat, no? So, I get it, no? Nakaka-stress naman talaga, no? Pag ikaw lagi yung inaasahan, tapos syempre nakakapagod, tapos di ka pa sinusuportahan. So, but here's the thing, no? When you give your best, you develop valuable skills. And one of the most important skills we must learn, in my opinion, is how to be assertive. Hindi ka ginawa para laging abusuhin. You are here to grow, not to burn out, no? So we all want higher income, more opportunities, and it comes with responsibility. Pero may discernment din. So you have to know when to pause, when to speak up, and when to recharge. Growth is not just about doing more. It's also about knowing your limits and managing them well. So don't stop giving your best, but do learn to protect your best self too.